Hey there! So, let's dive into the problem you're facing with your Azure Functions app. The issue at hand is that when you add the import request statement to your .py file and include it in the requirements.txt, your functions disappear in the Azure portal. It seems like the packages might not be loading correctly when the Python function app starts. Confusing, right? Now, let's talk about the solution. To tackle this, you can follow a specific approach. You don't need to set up a virtual environment or install packages separately. Instead, you can use the target option in the pip install command. This handy option allows you to install the packages in a specific location, .python_package/site packages, ensuring that they are available for your functions. Building on the solution, you'll need to make a tweak in your zip script to include hidden directories. By adjusting the zip command to cover hidden directories, such as venv, .git, and .github, you ensure that all necessary files are packaged correctly for deployment. In summary, by employing the provided solution steps, you can ensure that your Azure Functions app functions seamlessly with the required dependencies. It's all about setting up the package installation correctly and zipping the artifacts effectively for deployment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Remember, in the world of coding, even functions need a little TLC.